How to tag someone on Instagram post after posting. So let's say you've posted an Instagram photo with someone but you forgot to tag them. Rather than uploading the post, you can tag them in the existing post without needing to repost it. So first, open the Instagram application. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, in your profile page, tap on the post that you want to tag people and swipe to the specific photo that you want the people to be tagged in. On your post, tap the three dots icon on the top right, then tap Edit on the pop-up settings. After that, you'll be able to see Tag People on the bottom left of the picture. Just tap on that and then tap on the photo. This will prompt a search bar, so just search for the username of the people that you want to tag. After selecting the ones that you want to tag, just hit done on the top right, and after that, your person should be tagged on that post. To check, just tap on the photo you've posted where you tagged people in it, and it should display their names along with the tag people icon on the bottom left of the photo. So that is how to tag someone on Instagram post after posting. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.